guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my top recommendations of Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Now Nykaa Hot Pink sale has begun from 19th of July and it's going to be on till 28th of July. I have already posted my top luxury makeup products. I've already made a video on that and posted it, so I will be linking it in the description box down below and also linking it in the eye above so you can check it out. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys my top favorite skincare, hair care and body care products. So if all this interests you, please stay tuned till the end, and without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. Let's get started. So I have categorized the products. So I'm going to start with cleansers first. Now we all love cleansers and it's one of the integral parts of our skincare. So starting with the cleansers, the first thing that I have to show you guys is by Cetaphil. It's their gentle skin cleanser. It is for dry to normal skin, for sensitive skin. This product is so beautiful guys. It is cult favorite of everyone and I have been using this since a really long time. It is super gentle on the skin. बहुत ही अच्छे से आपका पूरा face clean कर देता है without stripping off the moisture from your face, and it is quite affordable also. So highly recommend this. This is also on discount. I will be flashing all the deals on the screen somewhere so you guys can check it out, and also will be mentioning all the links in the description box down below so you guys can check it out. I have lots of products in front of me to show you guys, so I'm not going to go deep into the review of all the products. I'm just going to show you quickly all the products, and few of the products I already have a video on my channel, so you can go ahead and check out those videos, in-depth review videos on my channel. The next cleanser is by Dot & Key and it's their barrier repair and hydrating gentle face wash with probiotics and 5 essential ceramides. This is the product you guys. Oh my god, I have been loving this product ever since this is launched, and this is my third tube. This is a new packaging. I have already finished 2 of the tubes and I'm actually trying out a lot of face cleansers. Still I go back to this again and again, so you can say that I really love this product, and it is quite affordable. This retails only for $249 and I think Dot & Key has around 20 or 30% discount, so you can check it out. The next product is by this brand called Foxtail. It's my newest discovery and this brand is doing some amazing skincare guys. So this is their Daily Duet Hydrating Cleanser. This is the one, and it is amazing to remove your makeup and to remove your sunscreen also. If you just do like light makeup, just the concealer and compact, this will take off that. This also actually takes off washable mascara very easily. So whenever I'm little lazy for double cleansing my face in the night, I just use this cleanser. I'm good to go to sleep. So highly recommend that you give it a try. And Foxtail also has around 35% off. This retails for rupees around 350, I guess, 299 or 350, so it is quite affordable and this lasts a really long time, so highly recommend this. If you are looking for a little bit of exfoliating cleanser that you can use on daily basis, I will be recommending Bioderma's Pigment Bio Foaming Cream. This is the one guys. It is so good. I mean, you can see the visible results with one use only. This face cleanser contains AHA and that's the reason it exfoliates your skin. It makes your skin even toned and it gets rid of all the dead skin and illuminates your face and even fades your dark spots. So I have been using this for quite a long time. This is again almost over, as you can see. I highly recommend this for someone who is looking for a good exfoliating face wash to get rid of the dead skin and reduce the dark spots and acne marks. You can definitely give it a try. Highly recommend this. I have one more exfoliating face wash to recommend to you guys. It's by the brand called Cosrx. It's their Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. This is the product. Again, you need the tiniest bit of product from this and it lasts a really long time. This has been with me since past 7 months and you can see the quantity that is left still. So you just need the tiniest bit of this product and it is a very foaming face wash and it gets rid of all the gunk and all the oil and all the sebum from your face. This I use only twice a week because it contains salicylic acid and I don't like to use too much of salicylic acid because I am a dry skin type and it tends to dry out my skin if I use it every day. So I would recommend to dry skin type, you can use it twice a week. If you have oily skin, you can actually use it daily also. This is again my newfound love. This is by CeraVe. It's their hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. Oh my god, this is so beautiful you guys. I have recently purchased it on my trip to Italy. You can see there is a tag also in euros right now. My skin was super dry because of the weather out there and I purchased it there and it actually was so calming to my skin. It was so hydrating and so moisturizing. My skin could, like be back to normal because of this face wash. So highly recommend this to dry skin types. For makeup removers, I have two makeup removers to show you guys. One is the Micellar Water by Bioderma. I am in love with Bioderma as a brand. It is so good for sensitive skin type, and a lot of products from Bioderma has helped me heal my skin. So I would highly recommend. This is a cult favorite of everyone. I love the original one also. I am done with that, so I have got this one now. This is also amazing. I have got a bigger bottle this time. Highly recommend this. And if you are someone who loves to remove your makeup on the go and you like makeup wipes, I cannot recommend this enough. This is by Simple. It's their micellar cleansing wipes, and I have like finished packets and packets of this one. I love carrying this while traveling. This is so handy, and it removes your waterproof mascara also. This is very effective, so highly recommend this one. This retails for around 350 for a pack of 25 wipes, I guess. Yeah, and this is also on discount of 30-40%, I guess, or there's a buy one get one. You can check it out. I will be flashing it on the screen somewhere. Well, now let's move on to serums. I have a few of the essence and serums to recommend to you guys, and the first one is by Cosrx. It's their Advanced Nail Mucin Power Essence. Now everybody knows about this product, and the hype is real of this product. You can see how much I have used it. This is again my second bottle, and I cannot stop using it. This actually hydrates your skin so well and leaves that glow on your face, and it actually gives you glass skin if you use it regularly. I just love this product. It has multiple uses. You can actually use it on your hair lengths also to nourish your hair lengths. You can also use it wherever you feel that your skin is getting dry. You can just use this product there. It is amazing, and it is on discount right now, so best time to grab it. So the next one is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now I have made a whole review video on this product, so I will not be talking a lot about this product in this video. I will be mentioning the link in the description box down below and in the I above, so you can check it out. But this is an amazing hyaluronic acid. It is beautiful for dry skin beauties. Definitely give it a try. If you are looking for a good potent vitamin C serum, I cannot recommend this enough. This is by Cosrx. It's the Vitamin C 23 vitamin C serum. This is so potent, you guys. If you are a beginner in vitamin C, I would not recommend this to you because it is highly potent. All you need is 2 drops of this and you will have the brightest skin of your life. Definitely give it a try, guys. This is a very nice and like underrated product from Cosrx. Highly recommend this. If you are looking for a good niacinamide serum, I have this serum by Sugandha to recommend to you guys. This is a beginner friendly, anyone can use it. This is their 5% niacinamide serum, and it also contains centella, panthenol and hyaluronic acid. A great serum to start with your skincare journey. This is a very beginner friendly serum, and it actually shows you results if you be consistent with this one. Again, there is 10 or 15% off on this one, so highly recommend this one. Okay, now moving on to moisturizer. I have this moisturizer that I have started using since past 2 months, and ever since I've started using this moisturizer, my skin is thanking me and it is doing wonders on my skin. And I have again like finished tubes and tubes of this because I am continuously using this moisturizer. I'm talking about the Bioderma Sensibio Defensive Rich for sensitive skin. You can just see how much I have used. There is nothing left in this. This is over. I have another one right here, and I have one more in my handbag. I cannot get enough of this moisturizer. This is so great for sensitive skin. Definitely give it a try, guys. It is like a magic potion for your skin. If you're a dry skin type, you'll love this. You'll love this. So highly recommend this. I have one more moisturizer to recommend to you guys by Bioderma. It's their Atoderm cream, and this is also so beautiful. Before that, I was using this one, and I'm happy with this one as well. But that is something that is meant for sensitive skin, and it is beautiful. This is for all skin types, especially for dry skin type. And this you can use as a body lotion. You can use on your cracked heels. You can use on your chapped lips also. This is so hydrating and so moisturizing. Definitely give this a try. And it comes in this huge tube, so it lasts you for a really long time. So highly recommend this. Next moisturizer I want to recommend is by Dot & Key. Is the Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream. Oh my god, this also was one of my favorite moisturizer for a really long time. I just wanted to try a new one, so I tried the Bioderma one, but this is also Still so beautiful, still my favorite. And again, I have finished tubes and tubes of this one. I have a whole review video on this one again on my channel, so definitely check that out. I will be mentioning it in the description box down below. Highly recommend this in the affordable category. This only retails for $3.95 and it is on 30% off, I guess. Highly recommend this. My another favorite and super hydrating and super moisturizing moisturizer is by Rekill. Is the ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer with mango butter and hyaluronic acid. This is my favorite during winters. This is super hydrating and my skin just, you know, like drinks this moisturizer. I just love this during winters when my skin is super chappy and it is super, you know, flaky and dry. This is the one that calms my skin down, so highly recommend this. Okay, last moisturizer is from Foxtail. It's their Ceramide Super Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. This is something that is great under makeup. It has it's a very different texture. It's not like moisturizer and it is not like gel. It is in between. It's like a primer kind of texture and it smoothens out your skin. It blurs your pores and it is great under makeup, and it is again super hydrating for dry skin. Highly recommend this also. Foxtail as a brand I am in love with right now. I have used a lot of Foxtail products and there are going to be a lot of Foxtail products in this video, in my recommendations video, so stay tuned. Okay, now I have a few skin calming products to recommend to you guys, one of which is again by Foxtail. I'm telling you, I have a lot of Foxtail favorites. So this is their Oasis Skin Repair Cream, and this I like to use it in the nighttime skincare routine, and I wake up with the most amazing and glowing skin. Whenever I feel my skin is getting flaky and dry and chapped, and you know, like I have dry patches on my skin, I use this product in the night and I wake up with a very hydrating skin. So I highly recommend this. This retails for around $3.45, just $3.45, and still it is on discount, so grab this one. Next product that I want to recommend to you guys is by Dot & Key. Is their Kika Calming Rapid Relief Face Mask. This is the one that I use when I have acne on my skin or my skin is irritated with any of the active ingredients that I have used on my skin. This is to calm down the skin, and it looks like this, and you just have to use it like, you know, once or twice in a week to calm down your skin. You have to use it as a mask and wash it off. So you have to keep it for 15 minutes on your skin and then just wash it off, and your skin will calm down with this one. So highly recommend this. I have one product to recommend to you guys from the brand called Earth Rhythm. It's their Kika Gel. It's the Centella Asiatica Calendula Ginseng and Lycorice Healing Gel. It's obviously in the gel form. It comes with a spatula also, and it looks like this. Again, this is another product that I like to use when I have to calm down my skin. You can actually use it on your sun rash, you can use it on your cracked heels, you can use it on your chapped lips. If your skin is breaking out, you can use this product to calm down your skin. So really handy product. You have to keep in your house, and this is a unisex product, so even like, you know, men and women both can use this product. So yeah, highly recommend this. Okay, now moving on to sunscreens. I have picked like the best one that I like in each and every category. So as a normal sunscreen that you want to use, like a serum based sunscreen, I would highly recommend Dot & Key's Vitamin C and E Super Bright Sunscreen. This is amazing for dry skin and oily skin. It gives a nice glow to your face and is just so travel friendly, and I just love this one. Next, if you are looking for a stick sunscreen, that is also by Dot & Key. I love this one. This is so matte and this does not leave any white cast. None of the sunscreens that I'm showing you leave white cast. So this also comes with SPF 50 and it's great. It does not have any smell to it, like, you know, like that sunscreen kind of smell. It does not have that, and it is great for dry sensitive skin. So highly recommend this. If you are looking for a sunscreen in a gel form, I love this Dermacos sunscreen. This is 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen aqua gel. This is super lightweight, again a travel friendly packaging, and great for dry skin, also for oily skin. So highly recommend this. And then if you are pregnant or lactating mothers and you don't want to use these sunscreen with filters, you can use the Minimalist SPF 60 sunscreen with silymarin, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So this is the sunscreen that I would recommend to you guys. So highly recommend all of these sunscreens. These are my all-time favorites. Now this one is also over almost. All of these sunscreens are my favorite. Okay, next I want to recommend to you guys some lip products, that is lip balms. These are by Dot & Key. I love both the variant. This has glitters in it, so I use it as a lip gloss on top of my lipstick, and this is great as it is, as on its own. I just love this. I have got all 3 shades of this one, and it is great. This warm nude shade specifically is great to use, like, you know, for natural makeup looks. It hydrates your lips, it contains SPF 50. What else you need? And it only retails for around 250 rupees, I guess, and that is on discount, so definitely give this a try. And for lip mask, I cannot recommend this one enough, the Laneige lip sleeping mask. And you can take any of the flavor that you like, but this is great product, you guys. Just invest in this and your lips will thank you. This is great for super dry lips. It will immediately moisturize your lips and it will leave your lips super smooth and hydrated, so highly recommend this. Okay, now moving on to some body care products. I have few of the body washes and few of the moisturizers and a lot of other products to recommend to you guys. So the first product that I want to recommend to you guys, these are actually 2 products. So this is their oatmeal and shea butter range, is their body wash and the body lotion. This you must have seen in my previous videos also. This has been my cult favorite since years. This actually calms my skin down. This is great for dry skin. It is super hydrating and it is non-greasy, absolutely non-greasy. Your skin will not feel like sticky at all. And this is also great when you use it together. Your skin and you smell heavenly. So I really love these 2 products. If you love the smell of the spa, you'll love this product by Bath & Body Works. It's their aromatherapy range and it's with the eucalyptus and spearmint body wash. This is so beautiful. I just feel like I have come out of the spa when I take bath with this one. This is amazing, and this is also on 50% off. I guess Bath & Body Works products are on 50% off, so grab this one. There is one more from Find Your Happy Place. It's the Sun-Kissed Ocean Waves. Is their shower gel, and this is also amazing. This is great if you like Bath & Body Works products. You'll love the smell of this one as well. This is also quite long lasting and it is quite affordable also. It only retails for 499 rupees, so highly recommend this. Okay, now moving on, I want to recommend to you guys one body scrub, and I love the Dove's body scrub range, and I have tried the pomegranate one, I have tried their mango butter one, and currently I'm trying this one. This is the brown sugar and coconut butter. Oh my god, this smells so good. This smells so good, you guys, and this is a little bit of a runny consistency as compared to the pomegranate one, but I love it. This leaves your skin so smooth. I apply it, like, you know, once in a week or twice in a week sometimes, but this leaves my skin so smooth and so hydrated. Highly recommend this. Okay, there are 2 products from Conscious Chemist that I want to recommend to you guys. It's their pigment corrector cream. The first one is this one, and it helps reduce hyperpigmentation. It is with niacinamide, tranexamic acid, kojic acid and azelaic acid. This is beautiful if you have acne marks, if you have hyperpigmentation on your face. It is a little slow in showing results, but if you be consistent with this one, this will give you great result. It contains azelaic acid, so it also regulates your sebum production of your skin, and it also, you know, like reduces your pimples. So I would highly recommend this to someone who is looking to, you know, like cut down on their pimples and hyperpigmentation and acne marks. Highly recommend this. And the next product by Conscious Chemist is the body care product. Is the Bump Escape Body Exfoliant Pigment Corrector. This is for somebody who has strawberry legs. You can use this one. It gets rid of the dead skin, and it also, you know, like ingrown hair agar hote hai aapko, so you can use this product. And again, you have to use it like twice or thrice a week. Just apply it as a moisturizer and leave it like that, and it will act as a very mild exfoliator to your skin. Another body care product I want to recommend to you guys is by Fix Derma. It's the Sally Zap for body acne. Now this is in the spray form, so if you have, like, you know, back acne, you have body acne, you can just spray it on the body acne parts, and just before having bath, you can just apply it half an hour before having bath and just have bath after that, and this will reduce the inflammation. This will also take care of the marks that is left after acne is gone. This was recommended to me by my dermatologist, and I had severe back acne because of my Italy trip. I mean, there was sun damage and my skin was breaking out, so I had back acne. So I tried this product, and it is quite calming and it is quite helpful for your back acne, so highly recommend this. Now moving on to hair care, I have a few products to show you guys. So first one is this combo of shampoo and conditioner. It's actually a hair mask. This is the L'Oreal Professional Vitamino Color shampoo and the hair mask, and I have finished tubs and tubs of this one. You can see this is also almost over. I love this one for the colored hair. This combo is best for colored hair. This makes your hair so smooth and so frizz-free, and also retains your color for a longer period of time. So highly recommend this. Next, I have one more hair mask to recommend to you guys. I have a little dry hair because of coloring, so I use a lot of hair masks. So this one is by Biolage. It's their smooth proof hair treatment. This is a deep treatment mask. So you can see I have almost finished this one. This controls the frizz of your hair, makes your hair super smooth. I just love this mask. I enjoyed using this one, and this is so budget friendly. It is just for 350 rupees, and you need to use it only once in a week, so it lasts you a really long time. Now for normal hair, for daily use, I want to recommend to you one shampoo, and that is by Plum. It's the Coconut Milk and Peptide Strength and Shine Shampoo. This is the product. This is so beautiful and it smells heavenly. It makes your hair smooth and shiny, and I just love it. It is again so affordable. It's just for 349 rupees, and it comes with a pump, and it is amazing. It is amazing for your hair. It also reduced my hair fall to a certain extent, and from the same range I also like their Nutri-Shine hair serum. I have been using this one only, and you just need the tiniest bit of amount of this, and as you can see I have finished this much, and this has been with me since past 6 months. It smells so divine, so beautiful. It's not like that coconut oil smell, like parachute wala smell bilkul bhi nahi hai iska. It's like more buttery, like you know, coconut how can I explain it, coconut cookie जैसा होता है, coconut pastry का जैसा smell होता है. It's like that, so it is very delicious. So you love it. So highly recommend that you try these two products from this range from Plum. Now if you are someone who has chemically treated your hair, you have colored your hair and your hair has got damaged, like the ends have got damaged, I cannot recommend this particular product enough. This is the Minimalist Maleic Bond Repair Complex. I have been using it, and as you can see I have already, you know, like used it this much, and I love this product. This also makes my hair so manageable, frizz free, and it makes my dry ends super smooth. So highly recommend this. I have again made a whole review video on this product, so check it in my description box. Then next is by Juicy Chemistry. It's their 100% pure organic cold press castor oil. Now everybody knows the benefits of castor oil for your hair, so I like to use this along with my normal coconut oil or my almond oil. I just mix 2-3 pumps of this. I have seen great hair growth with this product, and this is the purest of castor oil that is available in the market, so definitely check this out. Now my next product is my newfound love. This is by Wishcare. It's their hair growth serum concentrate. You must have seen it, all the influencers raving about this product, and this is well hyped product. I mean, it is worth all the hype because it is really good for your hair and it actually shows results. I'm going to come up with a detailed review video of this product, so stay tuned for that. And also if you want to know my hair care routine, let me know in the comment section down below, so I will make it for you guys. This is just a random product, but I thought I should recommend it in this video. This is by the Color Bar. It's their acetone free nail enamel remover. This is very good, gets rid of your nail paint very effectively, and it does not dry out your nail beds, so highly recommend this. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and found it helpful. I'm going to mention all the links in the description box down below, so you can check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already guys, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button for this video as well if you liked it, and share it with your family and friends as well. So with that I end my video here, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye!